Here we have a 67 plate BMW 420D M Sport GRAN Coupe. Now this vehicle comes with £5,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. Just to mention one there, we do have the M Sport Plus package. Now we also have the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all of which in excellent condition and unmarked, with the blue M Sport brake calipers behind. We do have the blue metallic exterior paintwork, LED headlights, gloss black front kinder grills, and also at the front splitter as well. And there's a look at that front end. Coming around to the passenger side now, you'll find the second alloy wheel, again in excellent condition, just down there. Taking a step back, you'll also find the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass at the rear. We also have the shark fin antennae up top. We do have front and rear parking sensors and a rear reversing camera. Twin pipe exhaust at the back along with the rear diffuser, and we do also have the power operated tailgate. Press the button on the remote and you'll find the boot will open just like so. Now inside of here, you see we have plenty of space for whatever you may need. We do also have the parcel shelf at the top, and we do have a button just up here. Press the button and then the boot will close again just like so. Now making our way back round to the driver's side, you'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look then at the interior now. Having a look at the back first quickly, you'll find we have the leather seats, refundable armrests in the centre and fixed ISO points as well back here. We then have the vents in the centre for the rear passengers. On the doors you've got the electric windows and brushed metal door handles. Taking a look at the front, you'll find the same leather seats, both front seats are being heated. There's a quick look at both of them. On the doors again we've got the electric windows with child lock for the rear, electric mirrors as well, premium Harman Kardon sound system. We then have the automatic lights, automatic wipers and a multifunctional steering wheel. Just take a seat inside, you'll find the dashboard in front of us. If you put a foot on the brake, press the start button, vehicle will start up. Got the speedometer and the cruise control here on the left hand side, paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel, and we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We do have the main infotainment screen just here in the centre, it's currently showing the sat nav. If any of these screens are flickering though, it's just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, it's nothing to worry about. Plenty more features with the buttons just down here. We click onto media, we've got the radio stations along with the other media options here on the left, which we can scroll through. We do also have the Bluetooth phone connectivity for phone calls. And then on the main menu, you can see we have all these other options which you can go through. Moving further down though, you then find we have the dual zone climate control, heat seat buttons on either side, and also the ice-cold air conditioning as well, all working as they should do. Further down from there we have the automatic gearbox with the different drive modes, so you can press these buttons and quickly switch from the different drive modes. You find Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus with the Sport displays, which is a pretty cool feature to have. Let's put it back in Comfort for now. Got the cup holders just underneath there with the 12-volt connectivity. Put the car into reverse, you'll find the reverse camera along with the parking sensors. Back into park by pressing P, we then have the manual handbrake, and also we have the leather armrest here in the centre. That's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 420D M Sport GRAN Coupe. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as expected to. As you can see, I've got to fire the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, staying straight and true. Now we're doing the multifunctional steering wheel, which has paddle shifters either side. If you want to stick the car into your manual mode and change the gears yourself, simply just tap on the pedals and it will change gear. We also have the speedometer and the cruise control buttons here on the left, along with the phone connectivity and volume buttons on the right. We've got the dashboard in front of us, which has a digital screen in the centre showing the trip computer. We also have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, which really does sound incredible. But if you do listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we do have the leather seats throughout the vehicle, which are really comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3, more than 400 miles in this vehicle, still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also heated, which is perfect for them cold winter mornings. We do have the main infotainment screen in the centre as well. It's currently showing the sat nav, with plenty more features on there you would have seen on the photos. And below there we do have the dual zone climate control for the front passengers, as the ice-cold air conditioning, perfect for the hot summer days. Automatic gearbox as well, which is really smooth going through all the gears, along with having the different drive modes. Now in a moment we are about to take a right hand turn onto the industrial park, so we've put our right indicator on. We're going to slow down. We're going to take a right hand turn now, the traffic has gone. Onto the industrial park. We're going to perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2 and 1. Hold onto the brakes, put the car into reverse. Got the reverse camera up here on the screen. Back into drive with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all and answer questions along with running for some inquiries of you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.